Okay, let's go. Shout out to the UK. I can really just rap like all day. Living back in the Bronx, back in BK. Everybody take a bullet through an AK. Man, I'm back in the dog, I got an LA. Everybody E40, I'm back into the Bay. And everybody making beat, word to Dr. Dre. And everybody on the West, word to Dr. Dre. And I say I was born in 88, raised in 89. Yeah, mama gave birth, the greatest of all time. Back, I got flow. Baby, she got a body, the Illuminati. Flows, I'm never cocky like ASAP, like Rocky. Rock, I gotta flex. Flex, I got sex like 9, they gotta flex. Flex, I'm in the loan. Man, I'm in the lane. And you can get the bow, word the flame. Flame on rap, breaking the back. Give me some more. Bust the rhyme, so give me the flow. Give me the loop. Tupac killing the juice. Getting this rap. I'll be writing, killing the booth. I can rap like my style. Man, I'm back in UK. So London Bridge is falling down. And if you don't know, and I'ma get bread. So 5 little monkeys rapping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. But one fell off while I'm getting my bread. The mama call a doctor when the doctor say, no more monkeys rapping on the bed. And everybody way back. And everybody know Ricky, that was a Maybach. I got a gunplay for it like ASAP. I got memory lane, let's take it way back. Way back. Everybody wanna got the flow because I know I make it hit. And everybody wanna write the song, but every day I gotta take a trip. Nah, dog flow, cause I got the West and I'm a rookie, I'ma be a vet. Nah, I break down when I got the flow, but talk about it like, here you go. Nah, I know she bad every day when I write, cause I know I got that good. Till I get out the hood. Nah, I know she bad. I put the money in the bag, cause I'm trying to leave out that hood. Cause she looking good. Hey yo, lay low, baby girl, I say and say so. Everybody getting this money, they call it peso. Already know I'm saying they know. Yeah, call me Drake, you only win once. I'm saying they know. YOLO, taking the words, I got polo. I got gas flows, they got the cocoa. Looking like mira, I say no. And everybody be talking, they saying so. Now you get the fabulous ball, that's for the loso. If you don't catch that ball, you didn't know so. Yeah, and I be the whiz. You got a heel flow. I got the wisdom flow. That's where the heel go. Shout out to wisdom. I got a wisdom. I got Khalifa balls. You chilling with wisdom. A wisdom to a wisdom. And everybody think the black, but I'm chilling with the wisdom. I'm from the Brooklyn flows. I gotta go. I go with these rap about it. I gotta go. And if you don't know, now you know. But I'ma be a king. I tell them I'ma go. And I say, back in the rap. I'm bringing it back. I'm bringing the booth. Get in the ground. I'm on the time. I'm bringing the view. Bringing the flow. I'm bringing it back. So wiggity back. Bringing the flow. I'm bringing it back like that, so you can find me on IG, on SoundCloud, on FB. My name is M to the E to the ZZ. My name is Mr. the Goat. Now you see me. I try my mixtape right now, right about now. So go get my mixtape from the SoundCloud. And if you don't know, now you know. M-I-K-E. My name is Mizzo, the motherfucking Goat.